the word. I said I'm too strong.
Do.
I got the hiccups. Do, do, do. I said I'm too strong. I don't know the word.
We need to make a duet.
I said, yeah, breathe in and play, yeah.
We say we're too strong.
We're holding on. I've got the hiccups. And they are very loud and loud and loud and loud.
That is so great.
This floor smells like pee.
Earlier, I spilled the Sprite right there. We were watching the movie. I go, Erin, I just spilled the Sprite. And she goes, oh, it's okay. I was like, okay. So I went and got paper
Said
towels.
I'm too strong. It's still recording.
Yep. 15 minutes of video. It is currently, you can't see the clock, but it's 5:22 a.m.
Really?
Blair is cheering in the morning.
Yeah.
And we're still alive.